Hi everyone, it's Tori Pino from Wellness and Psychological Services. I'm here today to let you know a little bit about our services and how we can support you at MacEwan. WPS has a multidisciplinary team with registered psychologists, registered social workers, and a registered nurse to support our campus community. We value mental health and wellness and encourage our campus to make mental health a priority. WPS provides a variety of free services to support our campus, including individual counseling, group counseling, social work support, wellness workshops, and health promotion programming. WPS is offering distance delivery options to provide support to our campus. Any student enrolled in at least one credit course can access our services by connecting with our reception staff. Here at WPS, we care about mental health and we care about you. Learn more about wellness and psychological services at macewan.ca/WPS.